Good morning, YouTube. So it's another day in Coron. As you can see, we are at the port today because it is boat tour time or island hopping time, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, got Bay over there signing papers and whatnot, and it's off to the private tour.
A few moments later.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Bien preocupado.
Twin Lagoon right now. I'm out here getting chauffeured, you dig? You have to go through that little crevice right there. Either go over the stairs or go under, which we went under. Luckily it was still kind of low tide. Not really, because we had to lay down to get through there.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you. Sleep. Does it? Thank you.
So we are at Banol Beach, which is right next to, like, one rock apart from Smith Beach. We were going to Smith Beach, but he said it would be a better bet to come here instead because it was low tide and it was a little bit harder to dock the boat close to the beach. So yeah, we came here. I think they're finishing up cooking lunch. Andres is sleeping, so we're gonna take a dip in the water. Just finished lunch. It was delicious. and when you eat at the beach, you get all messy. So if we get messy, you guys can guess how Andres looks. Charlie's over there rinsing him off in the water because he had rice and mango everywhere. So
alright folks, so that was it for lunch. It's delicious. Off to the next spot. It seems like we're the first ones leaving, so hopefully the plan works out for good. This is crazy, bro. Like crazy.
Yeah, just try to watch my step.
No, I'm good. You want the goggles? Oh no. It looks pretty cool. So we are at Sunset Lagoon, and man, it's just crazy. Oh my god.
I can't believe we forgot his.
Water shoes. All of our water shoes.
I'm not bad. It's squishy.
Untouched sand by any man.
Well, I'm sure you can.
Put my footprint. You want the goggles? I'll take Andres.
Oh, sure.
Where are your shades?
Lost him.
Bruh.
Yeah, we can go to the next spot.
I lost my glasses in Sunset Lagoon. My sunglasses, yeah.
This brackish water, mix of salt and fresh, but this time it's more fresh water than salt.
Oh,
like
okay.
7 3
I learned how to equalize, though. I've never done that before. It actually works. Alright, folks, so we made it back to Coron town and probably just had the best time of our lives.
Yeah.
That was all the locations they took us to were just crazy beautiful. They were very patient with us. The food they cooked us was A1. And I have zero complaints.
Yeah.
So
They took us at the right time to each place.
Oh yeah, it took us to each place when it wasn't busy, you know, so they know when each island or whatever, each beach, each lagoon is busy, and they take you when it's not. So awesome. We made it back to the room safely and tiredly.
Hot messily.
Hot messily. Now it's time for dinner, and babe found a spot, a local spot. Well, it's local-ish. It's not fancy or anything. And about to go get some grub because we're starving and we're tired. So.